Martin from Secrets, the channel for learning about trading and investing. Welcome to daily stock market analysis, where we look at what happened in the market during the day and look at what we can learn and plan for a better trade for the next trading day. And this is analysis for November 24th, Thursday. Tomorrow expiry date 2022, and we had a new all-time high on the banks today. But overall, Nifty closed flat. There was a lot of selling pressure at 7. And let's look at the charts. So this is a Nifty chart reducing daily short term, and we can see that it was gap up, and then everything that is gained in the gap up, it went up till 325, 18,325, but given everything to the selling pressure, profit booking, whatever you call, and finally managed to close above the previous candle's high. That's a flat close, just 23 points gained. Banknifty much more stronger, gain 0.64, it's 272 points, and it has formed a spinning top candle on the top of a rally. Spinning top could be dangerous, could indicate reversals, sometimes, but not necessarily. Small body is always indecisive, that much you can understand, and it's a gap up clearly, and it's close above the previous candle's high, and it's a pro gap also. It's a kicker gap pattern that you can see. Intraday was interesting. It was like gap up and then range bound most of the day, and then in the afternoon it was spike up, and then at the end of the day it went flat. Banknifty, it was spike up and then gave up all the gains, and then went range bound, and then went range bound, and then the last 30 minutes it gave up everything. Right. So kind of very volatile, range bound, flat, close, everything combined to that kind of dramatic day. Right. Volatile in the sense of, look at this, it's a V shape, then consolidation, another V shape. I mean inverted V shape, basically. Inverted V's. Banknifty also, it's a gap up, then consolidation, and then gap move, and one V. So Banknifty less volatile, but overall Banknifty gained and Nifty closed flat. Both are indecisive. Banknifty is more indecisive, not the small body, but Nifty clearly has fallen into the selling pressure equivalent. Right. Bollinger Bands are showing consolidation clearly, with the volatility band, upper band showing now. Sideways more price action is what we can expect for some period of time. It could move to near to the 600, 500, and all that range in the coming weeks, and then fall back until an expansion on the bands happens. That's what happens. So it's all consolidation. But Nifty, on the other hand, it is not contraction that is happening. That's there. Banknifty has got expansion, so it means price can move further up. That's what Bollinger Bands are indicating in the short term. So that's the numbers, and still we have as close above the moving averages, all 20, 50, 100, and all that. We have a breakout that is confirmed weekly. We have already seen that. We know that, right? Just that it has turned a little inside, given up, some pullback has happened, that's all. Otherwise it's a confirmation of a breakout from the trend line weekly channel. Right, we're just waiting to see if that confirmation was fake or not. So all bullishness, price action also indicates bullishness. The close is above the PDH, selling pressure is there, but indecision also is there. Overall the trend is bullish. Support resistance is 18,268 is the resistance upper side, and then 18,458, and then all-time high 18,600. Downside 18,100, and then 17,966. These will be the resistance supports on the downside. Banknifty 42,860 will be the resistance upside, and 42,000 will be the resistance after that. Downside 42,622, and then 42,200 is the supports, and 42,200 is also a gap support. Right. So that's support resistance levels. Tomorrow is an expiry. Correlate these support levels with the support levels that you see for the. We'll be discussing later in the options open interest data. Right. Bollinger Bands, we have seen that it's slightly contraction that is the Banknifty. Sideways movement is predicted by the bands, and but the bullish move is predicted for the Bollinger Bands, which is having expansion. Momentum is turned to bullish again for the Nifty. It has climbed back to the bullish zones. On the RSI indicator, trend indicator ADX is showing it is crossed over back to the bullish zones, DMA positive zones. So trend and momentum also has turned in favor of the bulls in the case of Nifty also, which has fallen off yesterday. Okay. Mix has spiked slightly, but very less, very slightly, 1.5. Still at 14, which is good. Option short bit of the happened in Nifty, and opposite long bit of the happened in Bank Nifty. Options OA for tomorrow's expiry levels are 18,000 and 18,300 and 42,500 and 43,000. It's a very narrow range for the monthly expiry. Monthly expiries could be very volatile, dramatic things could happen, but 18,000 seems to be a good support. Alright. 18,300 or 400 or 500, and that could happen in any of those, right? But 43,000 is a good resistance upside, and 42,500 may be the close for Banknifty. 0.77 and 0.1, 0.23. 1.323 is PCR ratio, very bullish in Banknifty. In 0.77 is not bullish enough, but close to the bullishness for the Nifty, right? Look at the sectors today. Metal sector performed 0.4%. Metal sector did not perform, for 0.5%, nearly 0.4% down. All of the sectors were plus or minus 0.3%. Green or red, like the mix, or flattish. All sectors. Metal is only sector is having the bullish momentum. Rest all sideways, but they are all sideways at RSI 40 support and bouncing up that kind of levels, which is good, right? Even though it is sideways, it is rising up. So that's what the sectors are. Metal is something that keeps on the short-term bullishness. Heavyweights, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, HDFC, all these moved, less than 0.5% up. The rest of all of them closed plus or minus 0.3% up or down, right? Flattish closures. All the major heavyweights are having bullish momentum except one, that is Reliance, still in the sideways. So bullishness in the heavyweights is seen, rising momentum is seen in all of those. Sectors bullishness is only there in the metal, that's a concern. Other sectors are starting to catch up, right? Metal and Bank Nifty, of course. Now Nifty also, but yeah, sector wise, if you see banks and metal is only in this one side. Now Fyers, interestingly, has been selling, right? Like the Thanksgiving day is coming tomorrow, and you have 789 crores of selling. It has happened. That is the fourth day of consecutive selling. TIs are compensating there and buying. 400 crores of buying has happened today, right? The cash. That's the sixth day of continuous buying. While fourth day of continuous selling is what I see. Okay. Crude oil, good news is that it has fallen below the 80, 78 below it has come. So that is good. It is falling on as of now. Dollar index is also falling. It is also bullish. 106.5 as of now. USD, but it's rising. 87.474. So OP is not falling. Dollar index is falling up a little bit. That's currency remains to be a worry from the rupee point of view as long as it is above the 80. Gold is flat and rising and then trying to hold on this level. Right? It had made a comeback, but trying to hang on to the resistance that it had earlier conquered. Right? So it is yeah. Let's go look at the gold charts just for reference. 2 minutes. Yeah, so it had a good move. It is facing resistance. It has fallen down, unable to take out the next resistance, but once again attempting that. That's what is happening. US markets green 100 plus, plus SGX is also green 100 plus as of now. You have to check that later in pre-market how it performs during the day. But US market as of now, Dow Jones looks very good. It has broken out of a channel top and taken out a resistance also. S&P 500 also claimed the bullish momentum, but Nasdaq is at resistance. In general, it's consolidating or at resistance US markets. So you have to keep a close watch on if big moves are happening or not. Less volumes, could happen because of Thanksgiving, and consolidation or sideways action may be what is happening. What may happen, but may be anticipated in the coming days or tomorrow at least. So major event is that there is a Thanksgiving holiday that's coming. FOMC minutes of FOMC meetings are coming. US jobs data are coming. All this data could reflect cost volatility, depending on how they miss or meet the estimates. Right? Those two stock picks, Axis Bank and ICICI Bank. Sector itself is doing good. So both picks today are from the banking sector itself. Axis Bank is having a multiple rounding pattern, multi-year rounding pattern, and then breakout is evident. It may take time, but definitely bullish. Honda climbed the bullish ones in the daily also. Yeah. And ICICI Bank, anyway, it is having a cup and handle breakout, right? And it is climbed back to the bullish ones, and then all-time high break could happen anytime. This is possible. Tight stop loss has to be given. Swing short-term trades, should not go long beyond this 891. No, that should be a place where I should exit. But overall bullish, momentum trend, everything long term, short term, everything is bullish. So ICICI Bank could be making it. So keep tight stop loss because it's a resistance zone. All previous all-time high zone is there, so we have to keep a tight stop loss. So two stocks is ICICI Bank and Axis Bank. PSU banks are doing the rally now. They are being moving aggressively, but they may pull back anytime. So may not be wise to enter now. Should have entered earlier. Now to wrap up the analysis for 24th Thursday, expiry day tomorrow. My view is mild bullishness for tomorrow. Mild, right? Maybe consolidating at that same very zones of 18,000, 18,300 that zones. Reasons it's so let's see what happened today. Today it was an attempt to move, but fell into selling pressure and finally closed flat. But Banknifty is aggressive and then showing very good strength. It has made a new all-time high. Nifty also is very close to the new all-time high, just 300 points. Now consolidation is in the cards as shown in the Bollinger Bands in the Nifty, but Banknifty is offset. But remember, we have given confirmation of the crucial resistance breakout, and it may be this week close may be maybe saying that if that is going to continue or not. We'll come to weekly candle this time. But the price action above the moving averages, big call off. Momentum turning bullish again. $10 is turning bullish again in the indicator ATH, and all of this makes me to think that market view is mild bullish. Right? It's just a matter of confirming the breakout is fake out or not. Levels 18,000 and 18,400 maybe what price action may happen. Expiry day already may be there. Right? US markets are at resistance and then struggling. Consolidating less volumes due to Thanksgiving holiday seasons. So that can be expected. Rupees gain a little bit, but not today. Overall, the dollar is down. Rupees not gained today, it has risen, but dollar is cooling off since last some days. It has gone to the bearish terms. Bearish momentum on the short term. VIX has cooled off. Crude has dipped below the 80, which is all good, right? This is all in positive in favor of the bulls, right? That's why the view is mild bullish, right? So there is also a possibility that it can end up everything and then reverse back, or it can also happen that finally the Nifty may join the Banknifty and then break out, and make any all-time high before Christmas. So all that is possible, but as of now, this is what the chart is. We are taking a view for the next day only. That's all. Next view, weekly view, we will have it every weekend. With that time, we will analyze it better. Now, as I say every time, all you can do is hedge your positions when you're taking all night position. Limit your positions as control, manage according to what is the volatility and the risk that is involved. Right? Risk manage positions as protect your capital. That's all that you can do, and then play the game with the hedged positions on the options and protect your long-term investments with the help of option strategies. Right? So that's a view. Mild bullish for the next day, expiry day. Expiry day volatility can be expected, as I say. Levels are clear, and where the markets are also clear. So if this helps you to frame your view for the next day in some way, and if this technical analysis helped you in some way or other, please don't miss out to subscribe. Put in your comments, feedback. Hit the like button if you like it. Share it to others. We have very few subscriptions. Appreciate your help in this regard. Thanks for watching. Happy trading. Happy learning. Happy investing. Bye bye.